Hi guys, today we'll be reading Jack and the Magic Beans by Andy Blackford and Marijke Veldhoven. So let's jump right in. Jack went to the supermarket with Mom. He sat in the trolley and read Jack and the Beanstalk. It was his favorite book because the boy in the story was called Jack too. Grandma and Grandpa were coming to stay, so Mom bought lots of food. I think I'll make bean soup tonight, she said. Mom carried the shopping into the house. Jack carried the beans. "Oh no, we forgot to buy strawberries," said Mom. "And now the shops are shut. What a pity." Jack heard a funny noise. It was coming from the beans. Later, Mom was busy getting dinner ready. "I don't know what I'm going to do without the strawberries," she said. "I know what we can do," said Jack. He ran through the kitchen and into the garden. "Jack, where are you going?" shouted Mom. "Is anything the matter, dear?" asked Dad. "First I forgot to buy the strawberries for pudding, and now I can't find the beans for the soup," said Mom. Then Jack came in from the garden. He was holding the empty bean packet. "Don't worry, Mom," he said. "Everything will be all right." Jack's mom was cross. "What do you mean, Jack?" she said. "And what have you done with my beans?" "They were magic beans, just like the ones in my book. So I went outside and planted them," said Jack. "Quick, come look at this in the garden," shouted Jack's dad. Outside the window were 5 enormous plants. They were as tall as Jack's house. A different kind of fruit was growing on each plant. There were blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, and lots of lovely, juicy strawberries. The last plant was covered in beans, just like the ones Jack had planted. "Who told you to plant the beans, Jack?" asked Mom. "The beans did," said Jack. "That's silly. Beans can't talk," said Jack's dad. "Oh, yes, they can," Jack replied. "That's why my book's called Jack's and the Beanstalk." If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Please comment down below and let me know your recommendations for the next book that I should make my video on. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!